So, you're an aspiring entrepreneur in South Africa, and you've heard about Spocket. It's a popular dropshipping platform, but does it actually ship to South Africa? Let's dive into that. Before we answer that burning question, let's quickly recap what Spocket is. It's a platform that connects you, the online retailer, with suppliers worldwide. This means you can sell products without having to stock them yourself. Pretty cool, right? Now, the big question, does Spocket ship to South Africa? Unfortunately, as of now, Spocket doesn't directly ship to South Africa. However, don't let that discourage you. There are a few workarounds you can consider. Use a shipping forwarding service. How it works, you sign up with a shipping forwarding service. They provide you with a U.S. address. Spocket ships your products to this U.S. address, and then the forwarding service ships it to you in South Africa. Pros: access to a wider range of products. Potential for faster shipping times. Cons: additional costs for shipping and forwarding fees. Potential customs duties and taxes. Partner with a local supplier. How it works, you can source similar products from local suppliers in South Africa. While this might limit your product range, it can eliminate the hassle of international shipping and customs. Pros: faster shipping times. No customs duties or taxes. Cons: might be harder to find reliable suppliers. Less product variety. Explore other dropshipping platforms. Why consider alternatives? Other platforms might have more flexible shipping options or partnerships with suppliers that ship directly to South Africa. Where to look? Research platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or local South African suppliers. Additional tips: check Spocket's shipping policies regularly. Things can change, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the latest updates. Communicate with Spocket's support team. Reach out to their support team to inquire about specific shipping options or potential workarounds. Consider the cost-effectiveness, factor in shipping costs, customs duties, and potential delays when evaluating your options. Build strong relationships with suppliers. Whether you're using a shipping forwarding service or a local supplier, maintaining good relationships is key. While Spocket doesn't directly ship to South Africa, there are viable alternatives to make dropshipping work for you. By understanding the limitations and exploring different options, you can successfully build your online business and reach your target market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.